In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to your online store using Hostinger Website Builder, ensuring your storefront is ready for business. Before we dive in, let's clarify that you will need an upgraded account to access this feature. Once you have that set up, let's start by heading over to your store management area. Navigate to the store section and then click on Products. This is your hub for everything related to offering your goods or services to customers. Once you're in the product section, you'll notice an option to add product in your interface. Click on Add Product, and this will open up a panel where you'll begin detailing your item. Let's pause here for a moment to talk about organization. Carefully planning the setup of your products will not only help you manage your store efficiently, but also enhance your customers' shopping experience. First, you'll need to decide on the type of product you want to add. Whether you're offering a physical item, a digital download, or even a service, you'll select the corresponding option. This selection is crucial, as it defines the necessary steps for fulfilling orders, such as shipping or digital delivery, so choose the category that best represents your offering. With the product type set, it's time to upload images. High-quality, clear images can significantly influence customer decisions, so take the time to present your product in the best possible light. You can upload multiple images to demonstrate different angles or variants. Next up is the title and description. Your product title should be concise yet descriptive enough to catch the eye and convey the core features at a glance. With the description, aim to give potential buyers all the information they might need, including materials, dimensions, or any unique selling points, while maintaining a tone that resonates with your audience. A well-crafted description also contributes to your store's search engine optimization, or SEO, which is essential in attracting more visitors. Setting the price is your next step, and it's important to make sure it accurately reflects the value of the product while remaining competitive. If your product comes in different variants, like size or color, consider pricing strategies that accommodate these differences. Additionally, ensure that taxes or shipping fees, if applicable, are factored into the final cost for transparency and to avoid any surprises at checkout. Finally, fill in any other relevant details your product may require. This could include a stock keeping unit, or SKU, for inventory management, product weight for shipping calculations, or any labels and categories that help organize your store. Once everything is filled out, don't forget to save your product. It's a good practice to review what you've entered before finalizing, ensuring accuracy and completeness. Saving your entry will update your store, and your new product will officially be available for customers to view and purchase. That wraps up the process of adding products to your store using Hostinger Website Builder. With these steps, you're well on your way to managing a successful online business. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.